Hi guys, welcome to tonight's vlog. So I'm actually cooking dinner. I have some chicken breast on and I have my bow tie noodles, which is right here. I'm trying this new recipe and I have my fresh spinach. I've seen that jaylabrenae cooked it, so I definitely wanted to try it because it looked really good. I have all of my season here. I have my butter because that's what I'm using. I know she used. I noticed she's used. I'm sorry. I noticed she used oil, grease. So I used butter instead, and I have my Parmesan cheese. I was trying to get my fiance to get the right Parmesan cheese, but he brought the actual cheese. So I was trying to use all of her ingredients. I'm gonna add some more butter in there. I'm gonna let my noodles boil, and I'll also have my whipping cream. So yes, girl, thank you for the recipe. I am definitely gonna shout her out once I'm finished cooking all this and definitely taste it. But I'm sure it's good because on the on her Instagram and on her videos when she was cooking it, I was like, dang, that really do look good. Something new for our family. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. Let me turn this down a little bit. Alright, so I have these right here done and they look super delicious. And I put some more chicken breasts in the pan. Now I forgot to tell you guys, she didn't use these. That's just something I wanted to use. So yeah. My fiance is already down here eating this chicken like I'm like, oh my god, can we eat it for dinner? Can you stop eating it? Can you stop tasting it? Is garlic salt. I use seasoned salt. I always still use some regular salt. And I use some Tony's. And I use some black pepper. And I use some Italian season. So you can use your own season, but that's the season that I use, guys. And it looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I see a new recipe. Like, I'm just so happy that she put that video out. You guys, make sure you go follow her, jaylabrenae. She's super, super gorgeous. She's like really cute. Oh my god. And she can cook. She can definitely cook.
Baby, it's good. You can take your time. Mom, this shit here don't mean make no goddamn sense. I'm sorry, but this girl that made this goddamn Parmesan cheese chicken breast smothered in spinach, and it's good. Tastes like I made Olive Garden. Hell no, I won't need no bread to go with it. Mom, look, she put cheese in it. Parmesan cheese. The best thing I ever tasted in my life. Right, and like he wasn't even gonna like it, but when he tasted it, his eyes got so big. He had like he wasn't gonna like it, but when he tasted it, his eyes got so big. My eyes got so big. Why you ate all your food? I can tell. All right. You want some? Not tonight. We'll bring some though. I promise. I promise. We got some more noodles left, I promise. Love you. Alright. Hey, we got seconds in there, please.
What? Hey, my. I'm just finding ways to push out.